All right, I need to talk to you one more time about composition of functions. Here it is. I'm going to go through this really quick. If you're looking at these functions, here we go. We did something quite similar to this in class. We're going to compose the g inside the f function, the f inside the g function, and then what you get, the g inside the f function, that's this, but then substitute a 3. Okay, we're going to do this real fast. I have some markers right here. We're going to do it. Okay, blue for this guy, maroon for this guy, and here we go. First, we're going to do g inside of f, or composing g inside of f. So I'm going to start with the f function, right? That's x squared plus 3, right? Well, where is there an x here? Right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this x minus 4, x minus 4, there it is. And then I'm going to square it, right? Because that's what it says. X minus 4 squared plus 3. All right? Now, I have to square this. What this means is x minus 4 times x minus 4 plus 3. So far, so good. We're doing really well. All we have to do is FOIL this, right? First, that's x times x, which is x squared. Outsides, x times minus 4 is minus 4x. Minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And lasts, which is negative 4 times negative 4, which is plus 16. All right? What do we leave? That leaves us with plus 3. And we have two sets of like terms. We have our negative 4x and negative 4x. There we go. Sorry about that. Marker's not working all that well. But we'll put those two things together, right? We have x squared. Negative 4 and negative 4 is negative 8x. Plus 16 plus 3, that is plus 19. Okay? That's it. That's our first composition. I'm going to move over here, and now I'm going to put this function in wherever I see an x in this function. So I'm going to start by writing out, this is, sorry, I'll write over it, f composed with g, fog. All right, now I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to do g with the composition of f, right? We're going to put the f in the x of the g function. So let's start with that g function, x minus 4. Okay, where's the x? Right there. What are we going to put in its place? We're going to put that whole thing, x squared plus 3. Can I put it in parentheses? Sure. Do I have to do anything with it? No. Right? This squared is inside here. It only refers to the x. We're good to go. What do I have like terms? Plus 3 and minus 4. So let's just go ahead and write it. X squared. Can't combine it with anything else because there are no other x squared terms. Plus 3 minus 4 ends up being x squared minus 1. And we're done. Okay, those are our two compositions. Then we have f composed of g, right? We put the g in for the x, and we found an answer. But this says put a 3 in wherever you see an x, right? So we take this, and we write it up here. And we're going to say this is f with our g composition. And then we're going to put a 3 in. There we go. Finally getting it to write. So I'm going to write this whole thing out. X squared minus 8x plus 19. Now, wherever I see that, sorry, I'm running over here to grab another marker. Wherever I see an X, I'm going to put in a 3, right? So here's an X. I'm going to put in a 3. That's a little bit better. And then I'm going to square it. Minus 8 times what? Times 3. And then add 19. Okay? 3 squared is 9. Minus 8 times 3 is 24. And then plus 19. 19 plus 9 is 28, minus 24 is 4. And that's it. That's all you have to do. There's no more real fancy work. I need you to get this type of thing under your belt. If you need to look at it again, please look at it again. I cannot thank you enough for watching this and getting ready for this quiz. Very simple idea.